Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to change username Windows 11 quickly and easily, so you can update your account name in just a few steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the search icon on the taskbar. This is located at the bottom of your screen, and it helps you quickly find apps and settings on your computer. Step 2. Type Control Panel and click on it from the results. Control Panel is where you can manage system settings, including user accounts and other important features. Step 3. Click User Accounts. This section allows you to manage account settings, change names, and control how users interact with the system. Then again, click on User Account. Step 4. Click Manage Another Account if you want to change a different user. This option is useful if there are multiple accounts on the PC and you need to update someone else's name. Step 5. Select the account you want to rename. Make sure you choose the correct profile because the changes will apply only to that specific user. Step 6. Click Change the Account Name. This option lets you modify how the account name appears on the login screen and Start menu. Step 7. Enter the new name you want to use. Choose a clear and appropriate name, since this will represent the user across the system. Step 8. Click Change Name to save the changes. Once you do this, the new username will be updated immediately on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.